Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to use Nectar points on eBay. Let's begin. Now, to use Nectar points on eBay, you'll need to link your Nectar card to your eBay account. And if you haven't had a chance to create your Nectar account, this is the perfect time for you to create one. All you're going to do is sign in if you already have, or click on join now. From here, you can get 1 point per this amount every time you grab a bargain on eBay. You can shop on eBay to create value across hundreds of amazing brands. Plus, you'll able to bag yourself 1 point in every purchase you make, alright? And again, just link your accounts before buying anything, then and follow the on-screens below. Now, click on join now. And as you see, just follow the on-screen instructions so that you would be able to create your first Nectar account that you can use on the points whenever you shop on eBay. Now, once you have successfully linked your Nectar card to your eBay account, you'll need to do the following after that. Say, for example, when you're ready to make a purchase, maybe this one right here, a photo 6x4 collecting Nectar points. Click on that. Now, once you are ready, all you're gonna do is proceed to do the checkout as you normally would, and during the checkout process, you'll have the option to redeem your Nectar points towards your purchase. And again, you can also look for an option to redeem your Nectar points at checkout, because eBay will typically display the number of Nectar points you have available and give you the option to apply them towards your purchase. Right, and after applying your Nectar points, review your order to ensure everything looks correct, and once you're satisfied, proceed to complete your purchase. I just wanted to make a very quick disclaimer that if you encounter a such problem like here, that you can't access Nectar, that means your account or the account that you're using are part of the geo-restricted account, because Nectar is only available at ebay.co.uk, right? So you have to be aware of that. And in case you need more information about eBay and Nectar, you can always go here and the help and section, wherein you can link your eBay and Nectar accounts and read all the information that's gonna help you if you have more questions about Nectar and how to use the points. But basically, it's a very direct process and it's very easy. And always remember, once your eBay and Nectar accounts are linked, you will be able to swap 500 Nectar points for these amount of voucher on the Nectar page on your My eBay. And once you've done this, your vouchers are then automatically populated at the checkout and ready for use on any purchase. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.